Welcome student. Myself Ajay Y. Thakre from MHG Junior College Malegaon camp. Last time we already studied in the chapter respiration and circulation particular topic, that is the circulation, and in this circulation we have studied open circulation, closed circulation, types of circulation, double circulation, as well as dorsal view of heart, ventral view of heart. And today we are going to study next topic, conducting system of heart and cardiac cycle. So firstly, that is a conducting system of heart. So this is the structure of conducting system of heart, and in this system it consists of, because human heart acts as a pumping organ, the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is continuously occur, and that type of heartbeat is initiated and regulated by special type of muscular centers, and that muscular center is called as node. So human heart is myogenic, and it consists of following component, because two type of heart is occur in living organism, one that is a myogenic, another that is the neurogenic. Human heart that is a myogenic means its contraction and relaxation is occur with the help of muscle, so that is concerned here the myogenic heart. And in this human heart, the conducting system is also run. Various node of this conducting system is occur, and the first node of that conducting system of heart, that is a SAN. That node is called as SA node. Node means the heartbeat is initiated and regulated by muscular center, and that initiation and regulation is occur with the help of a node, where that node is called as SA node, sinoatrial node. Second node, that is a atriculoventricular node or AV node or AVN. Then bundle of His. So this is the branch divided into two branches, right and left, and that is called as bundle of His. And this bundle of His is also again divided into various branches, and that branches is also called as modified cardiac muscle, that is a Purkinje fibers. Purkinje's fiber. So in this way, that is concerned here the conducting system of heart. So you already know that is the heart is made up of four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, and here are the walls. And here again the walls, that is the semilunar walls are present. The auricle is separated with the help of auricular septum. The ventricle is separated with the help of ventricular septum. So in this way, all of this structure of this heart is studied last time. Today here only the conduction, means particularly the contraction and relaxation, or the conduction, initiation and regulation of this heart is occur with the help of SAN, AVN, bundle of His, and Purkinje fiber. So firstly we have studied that is a SAN. So here, specialize the patch of cardiac muscle present in the wall of right atrium. This ACN is present in the wall of right atrium and just close to the opening of superior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava. The superior vena cava receive impure blood from anterior part of the body, and that blood passes into right atrium. So just close to superior vena cava, SAN is present or sinoatrial node is present. It is also called as pacemaker. It is also called as pacemaker because first it originates the cardiac impulses. It originates cardiac impulses. In this fashion, its origination and initiation and stimulation of cardiac impulses, and that cardiac impulses, so generally it maintains the space duration between first and second contraction, and it brings about auricular systole. It brings about auricular contraction. Right auricular as well as left auricular, means auricular contraction is occur with the help of sinoatrial node or SAN, and it brings about this auricular systole. And this wave of contraction is generated by SA node. The generation is occur in this SA node, and after the generation, this SA node is spread over the wall of atria, right as well as left. That is a contraction, and that is concerned here, auricular contraction. So in this way, that is concerned here, SAN is also called as pacemaker. Second one, that is AVN, auriculoventricular node or atrioventricular node is present in this region. Then this auriculoventricular node is located here, the wall of atrium, just near the opening of coronary sinus. Coronary sinus opening is present here, and just near the coronary sinus opening, the AVN is present. Atrioventricular node is present, and it receives the wave of contraction generated by SAN through internodal pathways, and it generates cardiac impulses which are conducted to the muscle of ventricle through bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. In this way, means it receives that type of impulses. That impulses is already generated, originated by SAN, and that impulses receives AVN. If this AVN receives that impulses then passes toward the bundle of His. Bundle of His means here the two branches occur, one that is a left branch, another that is a right branch. Right branch of bundle of His and left branch of bundle of His, that type of impulses receive this bundle of His. And this bundle of His arises from AVN, atrioventricular node, and it divides into right and left branches. And then this bundle of branches give rise to Purkinje fibers. Again here, the branches is occur, and that branches is also called as modified cardiac muscle or Purkinje fiber. This Purkinje fiber is seen in this pattern. This is the Purkinje fiber. And this wave of impulses is received this Purkinje fiber, and then the bundle of branches give rise to Purkinje fiber, which penetrate into myocardium, that is the middle wall of this heart, myocardium of ventricle, causing their contraction, and it is responsible for ventricular contraction. It is responsible for ventricular contraction, means ventricular contraction is occur from SAN, then SAN receives this AVN, then this impulses receives bundle of his fibers, and this bundle of his fiber receives or passes these impulses to the ventricular wall, and ventricular contraction is occurred. So in this way, SAN, AVN, then bundle of his, and then Purkinje fiber collectively form conducting system of heart. So that work is collectively occur. SAN is responsible for contraction of this heart. AVN, that impulse carry passes bundle of his. It is responsible for contraction of ventricles, means SAN, AVN, bundle of his, and Purkinje fiber is responsible for contraction of auricle and contraction of ventricle, and that is also called as conducting system of heart. So in this way, that is a conducting system. SAN is called as pacemaker and AVN is called as pace setter, because SAN has highest degree of rhythmicity and it first originates to the cardiac impulse. So SAN is called as pacemaker and AVN is called as pace setter. So in this way, that is a conducting system of heart is occur in this fashion. Then next one, that is a cardiac cycle. So cardiac, that is a Latin word. Cardiac means heart. This is the diagrammatic representation of cardiac cycle. So cardiac cycle means the event associated with one heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle. The event associated with one heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle, and this cardiac cycle, it lasts from 0.8 second of each heartbeat, and in this 0.8 second it includes systole and diastole condition in this fashion. So that is a representation of this cardiac cycle, where the graph particularly at the one side time in second means 0, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 7, 8. Because cardiac cycle is always run in 0.8 seconds. This is a cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle means here the contraction and relaxation of this heart is occur, and during this contraction and relaxation, systole, one systole and one diastole, that is concerned here cardiac cycle. That is concerned here the heartbeat, and this heartbeat is also occur with the help of this auricular systole. AS means auricular systole, VS means ventricular systole, AD means auricular diastole, VD means ventricular diastole, or here again the joint diastole, as well as auricular systole. Again runs this auricular systole, cycle runs again. So in this fashion, that is a auricular systole means auricular contraction. Ventricular systole means ventricular contraction. Auricular diastole means auricular relaxation. Ventricular diastole means ventricular relaxation. Joint diastole means at a time this auricle and ventricle is in relaxation, it's called as joint diastole. So in this way, this one heartbeat is always run in 0.8 seconds. In between this 0.8 seconds, this contraction and relaxation is occurred. So firstly, that is the auricular systole. During auricular systole is runs in 0.1 second. 0.1 second. It lasts for 0.1 second. Auricular contraction. And during this auricular contraction, the impure blood or deoxygenated blood from the right atrium enter toward the right ventricle through atrioventricular aperture. And the backflow is prevented by tricuspid valve, and the oxygenated blood from the left atrium enter the left ventricle through atrioventricular aperture, and the backflow is prevented by bicuspid valve, and that type of duration is always occur within 0.1 second, and during luck sound is hard in normal heart particularly. So this is the ventricular systole. Again, here in this ventricular systole, in this auricular systole, in this atrial systole, it always runs 0.1 second. And during this auricular contraction, the impure blood from right atrium enter into right ventricle. And during this, backflow is prevented by tricuspid valve, and the oxygenated blood from left atrium enter into left ventricle. So in this way, that is concerned here, the auricular systole or auricular contraction, it lasts 0.1 second. Then second one, that is a ventricular systole. That is a ventricular systole, it always lasts. Here 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 second, because 0.1 second is already required for auricular systole. So 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 means up to 0.3 second, it lasts 0.3 second, that is a contraction of ventricular systole. And during this ventricular systole, the impure blood from right ventricle enter into pulmonary trunk, which carries blood to lungs for oxygenation, and the oxygenated blood from left ventricle enter into the aorta, which carries the blood to all parts of the body, and the backflow is prevented by semilunar walls. So that is a ventricular systole. Means during this ventricular systole condition, that is impure blood from right ventricle enter into pulmonary aorta, passes toward the lungs for oxygenation, and oxygenated blood from left ventricle enter the aorta, which arrives the blood to all parts of the body, and the backflow is prevented by semilunar walls. So that is a ventricular systole, and it always lasts from 0.3 seconds. Then next one, that is a joint diastole. So this is a joint diastole where atria and ventricle is relaxed at a time. That duration is 0.4 seconds. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 means 0.4 seconds joint diastole is occurring. And during this joint diastole, the both atria and ventricles undergo relaxation condition, and it receives impure blood from all parts of the body through superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. So left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through two pair of pulmonary veins, and the joint diastole is lasts for 0.4 seconds. So this is a joint diastole. So in this way, that is the auricular systole, ventricular systole and joint diastole is occur during this cardiac cycle, as well as auricular diastole condition is always occur, and this auricular diastole, when the systole is completed, then this diastole condition is occur, and this auricular diastole is occur within 0.7 seconds. So in this way, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 minus 1 second means auricular diastole required that is a 0.7 second. Auricular diastole. Ventricular diastole is required 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.5 second. Ventricular diastole 0.5 second. Ventricular systole 0.3 second. Auricular systole 0.1 second. Auricular diastole 0.7 second. In this way, that is the representation of cardiac cycle. This is a diagrammatic representation of cardiac cycle, and this cardiac cycle is occur in this fashion. Where this topic is over. Thank you. In this next topic, we have studied the next topic, that is the blood vessels and other related topics. Thank you.